Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what Smart Hub on Samsung TV is in 2026 and how it actually works and why it is so important for your TV experience. Now, Smart Hub is the main dashboard or the home screen of the Samsung Smart TV. It's where you are going to access the apps, the settings, live TV, and all of your content in one place. With Smart Hub, you can basically open the streaming applications like Netflix, Disney, Prime Videos, YouTube, and Apple TV. You can switch between the TV channels and the apps. You can access the connected devices like gaming consoles. You can browse the recommendations and the content. Smart Hub is going to connect your device to the internet and loads all the apps and the services in one interface. You can navigate it using your remote and everything is organized in a simple menu at the bottom or the side of the screen. Smart Hub includes App Store where you can download the new apps. You can also rearrange the apps, pin favorites and customize your home screen for faster access. Smart Hub also supports features like voice control using Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, SmartThings integrations for smart home consoles, personalized recommendations based on your usage. So Smart Hub is definitely worth using because it unlocks the full potential of your Samsung TV. It makes everything easier, faster, and more connected. So if this video helped you understand the Smart Hub better on Samsung TVs, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.